I'm Luna Girl. And I'm Romeo. We're from PJ Masks. Now everyone thinks that we're always evil, but sometimes we like to have some fun. Yeah, today we're just gonna have a little fun with this Kids Lane microwave. What are we gonna do, Romeo? Alright, we're gonna be putting this Play-Doh in this microwave and see what it turns into. What color should we start with first? How about that purple one? Let's put this one in, Luna Girl. It's kinda heavy. Might need some help. Okay, I'll help you out. Let's put this Play-Doh in the microwave. Hit the magic buttons. And voila! What do we have? Let's open the door. Oh no! It's the PJ Masks. Owlet!
Catboy! Gecko!
Are you two up to no good today?
Romeo and Luna Girl. Believe it or not, Catboy, we're just having fun. I don't believe it. What are you guys up to? We're putting Play-Doh in the magic microwave and seeing what happens. That sounds like so much fun. Let's put another Play-Doh in the microwave. Let's put this blue Play-Doh in the microwave. Hit the magic buttons. What did we end up with? Oh look, it's all of the Paw Patrol Mash'ems. We have Chase, Marshall, Zuma, Rubble, Everest, and Sky. I love Mash'ems. Let's give them a squeeze. And another squeeze. That was super cool. Let's put the green Play-Doh in the microwave. I can already tell this one's gonna be super cool. Let's hit the magic buttons. I wonder what we got. Oh look, it's Spider-Man. And he's got slimed. Look at that. Spider-Man's in so much slime. He's stuck. Let's get him out. Thanks, guys. Thanks for getting me out of that slime. Let's put the pink Play-Doh in the microwave. Press the magic buttons. Let's see what we got. So it looks like it's a Littlest Pet Shop Micro Light. Squeeze me. Which one did we get? Let's find out. Let's open it up. Oh, that one is super cute. It's the purple one. Big purple eyes with a little pink. And it's white. Let's give it a squeeze. Come on. Oh, there it is. See how it lights up? That's so cool. Let's put it down right here. Let's put our orange Play-Doh can in the microwave. I can't wait to see what happens with this one. Press the magic buttons. Let's see what we got. Oh, does it look like Mash'ems? It is Mash'ems. We've got a Transformer Mash'em, another Transformer Mash'em, and a Superhero Mash'em. Let's give him a squeeze, and a squeeze, and a pull, and another pull. How about this guy? Let's give him a squeeze. And a squeeze. And a pull. One more squeeze here for this Transformer. There we go. Excellent. Luna Girl, there's one more Play-Doh can. And it's green. Let's put it in the microwave. Press the magic buttons. Oh my goodness, it looks like something cool. Let's see what we have. It looks like a mystery box. So this is a Disney Moana Mystery Mini vinyl figure. Let's see what we got. So these are our available options on the back. Which one will we get? Little blind bag. Let's see what little character we have. Oh, look at that. It's the little baby character from Moana. I don't remember her name, but if you do, make sure you comment below. This little lady has a pink flower in her hair, big white eyes, and dark hair. Let's put her down right here. Romeo, yes, Luna girl? I had a lot of fun today with this magic microwave. Me too. Maybe it's not so bad doing fun things. It was kind of fun. Now, tons of toys. If you enjoyed watching this video and you like surprise toys and magic microwaves, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up.